Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Know your Xbox One model and choose an external SSD with USB 3.0 performance. Once checked, make sure your saves are in the cloud so nothing is lost. This protects progress while you move storage. Prepare tools now: a small screwdriver for optional console access, a quality USB 3.0/3. One cable, and a powered SSD with at least 256 GB. Begin with the console off and unplugged, and I'll guide you step by step through install. You plug the SSD into a rear USB 3.0 port for best throughput and stability. Once connected, power the console on. Xbox detects new storage and prompts you to format, accept, name the drive, and choose it for games and apps if you want automatic installs. Formatting optimizes file system and allocation for fast load times. After format completes, go to System Storage and set your SSD as the default install location. This ensures future games download to the fast drive. You now move titles. Open My Games and Apps, select a game, choose Manage, then move or copy to migrate files to the SSD. Prioritize large games first to notice speed gains. Once moved, launch one title to confirm reduced load times and smoother performance. If the drive isn't recognized, make sure firmware and Xbox system updates are current, then try a different USB cable or port. If problems persist, safely reformat the SSD on a PC to exFAT and repeat the Xbox format step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.